So let me rename this one to maybe one. Let me so inside my images here, I have images, then I have one saved, and I come here to have images. um, this dot move. Then my third image, I should have images, then I'll have this one. So when I save it and run it, I'll see rare images, okay, with my um, writings on it. So it's a slider. Dot move image is not working. Let me see if I can change it. So images, so I have this one as another image. This image is not nice, crowd. Check. Then I have another one, yeah, this one too. You see the writings are there. So this is a carousel banner, okay. Yeah, so now after you've designed your banner, your header section, your hero section, you can have another container. So for another container where you have another row, then maybe here you can put some information, some paragraph tag, another paragraph tag. So you see, we are designing our website like that. Or instead of putting just a paragraph tag, you can give it another row, because the container can contain a lot of rows. Depending on what you are developing, you can put a lot of rows in there. So you can have this. I can say that okay, this should have a column divided to of 6. Then I'll put h2 tag, and I'll say read about us. Read about us. Then inside this, let me specify some small link here. Make it about us. Now write about as HTML, right? Then our information to the text will be followed. Can have something like this, okay. So we are developing our website just like that. Basically, this is how to build your blogs with Bootstrap, okay. And Bootstrap is already designed with JavaScript and CSS, so it makes your website, very, very beautiful, okay. Now, so grid layout content, you've added the content. You added the content. Then you can add a footer section. So let me see if Bootstrap has a footer section. I don't know. Let me check if they have footer sections. they don't have. So we will create our own footer sections. Alright, so let me show you how to create a footer. So you have another maybe container, or you can use a footer parameter. It's also there. It's an HTML tag. Then inside this footer you can have your you can have a container, you can have a row. Then in this row I'll divide it into 4 parts. No, let me do it 3. So I have medium 4. So it means that we'll have 3 parts, but it should be divided into 4, you know. Have this and another one dot md 4. Alright, so here I'll have h3 text and say about us. Then I have a short paragraph tag. Let me put this. Then here I have an h3 tag, say useful links. Useful links. And here I'll have unlisted. Then I have okay. Let me leave it that way. I have lists. Say home. Have another list about us. Another list item. Services. And maybe another list item, privacy policy, maybe something like that. The last part, h3, have our social media links. So this is a footer section. Social media links. Then here I have an ordered list. List item should be here. I can use what you call my I class, the icon, yeah, or I can choose to use the span as we spoke about earlier. But to use an icon, you need to import icon library. We call it font awesome icons. You just import their links inside and you can use the icon. So let me just do that. We have about 7 minutes left. Let me come to Bootstrap. Okay, Bootstrap, even they have icons, Bootstrap icons. So yeah, we have Bootstrap icons. Let me look for Facebook. Okay, so they are here. So once you copy, I think click on it, you see the I class. I means icon, so it is already added. Let me just paste it. Then have another list item. Let me go back to and pick let me use only WhatsApp. Let me use WhatsApp. I'll paste it. Alright, so our footer is completed. Now let me refresh it and go to the footer section. You see, oh, my icon is not showing. What did I do wrong? Let me see. Bootstrap tool. Do I have to use a link? Yeah, I think so. So let me go to version 1.1 and use the Bootstrap link. so okay, I think this is the link. I'll copy it and paste it in my header